Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set header and footer in Microsoft Office Excel.
How to set header and footer in Excel. First, I click File and choose Print to view my header. And top is header with footer below of page. Now go back. How to set header and footer in Excel. First, click on Insert and find Header button. The top of this header I add title like that. I can edit of this header. Select the text and click on Home. I adjust color to format on text. Okay, color is change. Okay, set header is ready. Next, arrange the footer. Scroll down. At the left side, I add username. And I can format bold or color too. After, at the right side, I date and number of page. Okay, I click in cell and click header and footer. Next, click current date to show in footer. Next, I click add number of page. Click on cell, I will see my footer result. Next, click File to view header and footer. Okay, header and footer are prepared at the top and below of the page. Okay, header and footer are prepared at the top and below of the page. Next, if I want to remove, just select In Cell and remove. With header and footer is done. Subscribe for more sharing. ICT sharing.